All right, guys, we're on our way back to Automotive Unlimited. I picked the car up on Wednesday last week. It's Tuesday now. They just called me and they want me to bring it back to fix the tune on it for that hanging throttle. So that's where we're headed, and today is actually cruise night. So hopefully I get the car back so we can hit up a cruise night with the car. If it's not gonna rain or storm, there's a possibility of that, but we're just gonna roll with it. So we're gonna head up to Automotive Unlimited. Oh, I'm excited, guys. Finally can like floor the car. So I figured out that it's on like wide open throttle pulls. So when I'm doing obviously a wide open throttle pull, that's when the throttle kind of acts goofy and it wants to hang the throttle. It'll be at like 1500 RPM and it won't want to come back down. So that's the issue I've been having. Hopefully this guy doesn't run into me. What the hell? So yeah, that's been the issue. I thought it was at highway speeds at first, but now that I've actually been driving the car for a couple days, it's only when I do like a wide open throttle pull. Other than that, it seriously cruises like perfect. Like there's nothing wrong with like just driving it in town, and it's regular cruising, it does great. It does kind of, I don't know, the throttle is a little weird sometimes, but like I'll push the clutch in and then it goes back down. Like if I just throw it in neutral sometimes, like going 45, and then the throttle will go up to like, I don't know, almost 1500, but as soon as I like hit the clutch or just wait a couple seconds, it'll eventually drop back down, which I guess I'm not too concerned about that. But yeah, she pulls hard though, guys. Yesterday I was driving it home from work and I just did a first gear pull, and it feels so much better than stock. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm excited to get this done. Hopefully I get it done today because I really want to take it on a cruise night. I haven't been to cruise night here in town. They have it every first Tuesday of the month, and this would be my first one that I'm gonna make it to here if it doesn't storm and if I have my car. If not, I'm gonna be driving the Camaro. So either way, I got a car. But alright guys, we made it back to the shop, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we get her back today. Alright guys, we're back. So the backup plan is to grab the 85 Camaro. I'll have to grab that out of my storage unit and shine her up and hit up cruise night if the weather holds out. I don't know. The waiting game. The waiting game. Alright, huge bummer. The Corvette never got done. The Camaro wouldn't start. So we're driving the 90 GMC. I'm gonna go wash it up, make it look semi-decent here. But yeah, I'm gonna need a new positive battery cable on the Camaro. That wouldn't start. It wouldn't jump. Looked at the positive battery cable and the end is all messed up on it. So I gotta fix that. So now we are cruising in the 90. Oh my gosh, look at that short box. This thing's beautiful. Well, normally I'd be allowed in there, but not today, I guess. Not today. C5. C3 coming. Kind of got some weird. Oh, there's a wagon. Oh, beautiful. That thing is sick. Oh, it's a nice. See that nice square body over here?
That like was lower.
That black one. Ooh, a C8. That was the first time I've ever seen one.
Hey, that's a 2020.
That was the first time I've seen one in person.
Is that the one Ride had?
No, they had a silver one.
Look, they had their car in their truck.
Ooh. What?
They had their car seat in the truck and was cruising it.
Well, we can cruise.
Actually,
I just
that's the
didn't-
car seat Cameron wanted to get into today.
I just didn't want to have you guys sit in the wash bay when I'm washing that because it would have been 100 degrees. Ooh, it's year one.
Hey, that looks sweet.
Or no, yeah it is, yep. That van is awesome. It's the Onward van.
Is it? That's the same.
It looks like
They
it.
just made it.
Oh, the C8. Damn.
What click? I don't see it. Excited about your strawberry shake?
I got it. Put something down.
I'll just, if you take this out of here.
Alright guys, that is a wrap for cruise night. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.